Left arm moves with body. Each arm follows the opening and the folding of the torso to form the parting move. Both hands follow the turning of the upper body as a unit during Jade Girl at the loom. This is the section of the form, including parting the wild horse's mane and Jade Girl at the loom. A typical example of how body and arm move as a unit in Tai Chi practice. When one plays Tai Chi, it looks like hands moving a lot, but actually it is body is moving. Arms and hands are just following the body, just like this. You can clearly see that hands and arms are not moving. It is body which is moving. Only when the arms is moving with the body, then the internal power from the body can be transmitted through the arm to the hands. A common mistake for beginner is that he often moves the body first, delaying arm movement. In this way, part of the powerful internal movement is wasted. One of my students, Peggy, demonstrates these moves. Peggy, your arm follows the body very well. Good. The martial art application of the move that arm follows the body leaning back illustrates why arm and the body must be in one unit, not separate. Let me demonstrate this application. Jim attacks me. He is much taller. I can only lean back with my hand up to intercept his attack, and then turning the body to neutralize the attack. During sparring, very often there is heavy load on the hand. In that case, one cannot move the hand alone. One must use the internal power of the body.